How to create Bitmoji on Snapchat. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Snapchat application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on your profile icon on the top left of your screen and then tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen. Further, you will see the Bitmoji option under the My Account tab. Tap on that and then tap on the Create My Avatar option. You will then be required to take a picture of yourself and then select your gender. Further, go ahead and make the required changes such as adjust your hair, your face shape, your eyes, your clothes, your accessories, and all the required changes. You can also adjust your skin tone, etc. Once done, tap on the Save button on the top right of your screen, and with this, your Bitmoji will be changed. So this is how you can create Bitmoji on Snapchat. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.